Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Good. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Let's go. Can you tell me, Jack, what number is it?
Number 1.
Good. What number is it?
Number 4.
What number is it?
Number 7.
What number is it?
Number 2.
What number is it?
Number 9.
What number is it?
Number 5.
5. And what number is it?
Number 10.
Good. Very good. Now tell me, how old are you?
I'm 2.
Years old.
old.
Good. And how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Very good. How many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
Good. And how many balls are there?
There are 6 balls.
Balls. Great. Now tell me, how are you?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm angry.
How are you?
I'm sick.
Good. How are you?
I'm sad.
How are you?
I'm hot.
Good. How are you?
I'm scared.
Scared. How are you?
I'm tired.
And how are you?
I'm cold.
Cold. Good. Are you sad?
No.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Good. Are you tired?
No. I'm sick.
Very good. Now let's talk about letters. Jack, what letter is it?
Letter A.
Letter A sounds.
Apple. An.
And what letter is it?
Letter B.
Good. Sounds.
B. B. Bull. B. B. Bat.
What letter is it?
Letter C.
Sounds.
K. Cat. Car.
Car. What letter is it?
Letter D.
Letter D sounds.
D. D. Do. D. D. The rest.
What letter is it?
Number E.
Letter
E.
sounds.
Elephant. Egg.
And what letter is it?
Number
Letter
F.
sounds.
4.
Good.
5.
5. Thank you, Jack. You did a really good job.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you later. Goodbye.